Welcome to Drone Show Creator. The future of drone animation starts here.
Every drone show begins with an idea, a vision, what you, your artist, or your customer envision to display. The question then becomes how we will bring that vision to life. The familiar tools of many professional motion designers often require extensive customization, and carrying out routine tasks can take hours or even days. Creating drone show animations is not an easy task. We first realized this back in 2017 when we used available tools to produce our first show featuring a running man composed of only 20 drones. By 2020, we organized the first ever drone show choreography competition with 153 participants, but only 3 designers won that competition. Today, we're over 200 companies on the market, some with their in-house designers and others working with their freelancers. All of them use free products, plugins designed to function only within specific ecosystems. We deeply analyzed which elements, effects designers use to create their shows, and we built a specific tool that speeds up their animation creation. With our software, you can easily create QR codes and animate images, bring static scenes to life, write text with your chosen font, upload mesh files, and even more. To find out more, head over to our website and start building unforgettable drone show animations.